Meet the ZEKI R1 Pro.
No keys, no stress. That's the flex. ZEKI on the door next. Level next. Tap, tap, unlock. Look at that glow. ZEKI smart lock. Now everybody go. Ring, ring.
Advanced palm vein recognition for touchless entry.
Secure, so smooth. That premium feel. ZEKI smart
Just
lock.
look, and the door unlocks for you.
Don't think, don't wait. ZEKI at the door, locked in. Safe.
Unlock instantly with just one touch.
Smart locks. Everyday slay.
Enter your code for quick, secure access. Tap your card and step right in. A reliable backup key when you need it. View who's outside instantly from the indoor screen. Open smoothly from the inside with ease. Add extra security with simple deadbolt control.
That's the flex. ZEKI on the door next. Level next. Tap, tap, unlock. Look at that.